Hello, each and everyone. I'm Noor, and today's lesson is how to write and pronounce these two letters, guys. As you can see, they have a common basic shape. As you can see, how Arabic letter Sin, this one, is pronounced. Let's get started. Sin. Sa, sin, sin, sa, sin. Sin is the counterpart of the English letter S in the word sound. S, like sound. Sin, we pronounce it the same way. And this fish is the counterpart, like, of the Arabic word samaka. 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 Great, perfect, excellent, guys. And now we move on to how to pronounce this letter. Sheen. Sheen. Repeat after me, please, guys. Sheen. Sheen. Sheen represents the English sound SH in shell. Shell. Sheen. Sheen. شلال. شلال. Shalalun is a waterfall in English. And now let's move on to my favorite part, how to write them. Sin and Sheen are shapemates. The initial form of Sin looks like a toothbrush. This is a toothbrush, a basic toothbrush, let's say, with three teeth, like this. And for Sheen, the same basic shape, like it looks like a basic toothbrush with toothpaste on. Sheen follows the same basic shape of Sin, but with 3 dots on top. Sin, Sheen, Sin, Sheen, sa, sha. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you next videos. Goodbye.